Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut and I'm here at the Oval as we build up to the final and the fifth test match of the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy. Now, if we look at the fourth test match, it ended on a very dramatic note with that Ben Stokes handshake thing. Ben Stokes wanting a draw, the Indian camp wanting Ravindra Jadeja and Washington Sundar to get their centuries. The whole elusive spirit of cricket conundrum debacle coming back into the conversation. But as we moved ahead, we thought maybe this would die down, or at least it would stay on the field. The controversies would stay on the field. But on match day -2, as the Indian team poured in for their net sessions, the controversies took off once again. Now this time the controversy involved the head coach, the Indian head coach Gautam Gambhir, and the head groundsman Lee Fortis. What happened here was that apparently, according to Sitanshu Kotak, who came out in the press conference later and gave his side of the story, the Indian coaching staff were multiple times while they were getting a look at the pitch were asked to move away from the pitch, move 2.5 meters exactly away from the pitch and have a look at the pitch from there. But of course, this is not the first time that the Indian coaching staff is having a look at the wicket. They were wearing their joggers. They were not wearing spikes. None of the bowlers in the net sessions were wearing spikes either. But Lee Fortis seemed to have a problem with the Indian staff and the Indian players. Sitanshu Kotak came out, defended and supported his boys, his coaching staff. So did Gautam Gambhir, which led to that altercation that has now gone absolutely viral and captured all headlines in the news. But now that all that's done and dusted, we need to talk about the weather, because the weather has been one of the biggest conversations throughout the series. Now, if we look at the 5 days, and we will do day by day because it's always so difficult to predict the weather here in England. Even in Manchester, you remember, we used to do one single weather report every single day. And there were times where the Met Department said that it would rain, that there would be a 70 to 80% chance of precipitation, but no rain happened. This time around, when it comes to day one, it is pretty clear. Now, what we expect is overcast conditions like these. It will be overcast on the first day. It will be cloudy and a bit of sun peeking through. But when it comes to chances of precipitation throughout the day, there are 10 to 20% chances of precipitation, which is not a lot when it comes to England. Even with, as we saw in Manchester, even with 70 to 80% chances of precipitation, the rain did not come. So you might as well see that the first day will be spotless. Now let's wait and actually see what happens. What usually happens here in England is there is a bit of drizzle, there is a bit of spit, but it does not turn into a full-blown downpour. So when it comes to the first day, it's clear. The only prediction that you have of rain or rain predictions or chances of precipitation is 10 to 20% throughout the day. So expect not much rain happening. I think there'll be a drizzle here and there. Apart from that, you don't have to worry about anything. No sessions being lost or washed out, and no overs being lost whatsoever. So stay tuned to Rev Sports. We'll keep bringing you all these updates every single morning. Thank you so much.